Welcome to Green Biz Studio. I'm John Davies, Senior Analyst and Vice President at Green Biz, and I'm joined today by Stephanie Jackson, co-owner of KwikLok. Welcome, Stephanie.
Thank you, John. Great to be here.
It's great to have you here, and I'm not sure everyone knows who KwikLok is, so maybe you can just tell us a little bit about the company.
Oh, you got it. Before I speak, a picture tells 1,000 words, so I'll actually just show you first. This actually is a KwikLok. I know many people have used this in their lifetimes and probably could find it in their home right now. This was introduced by my grandfather, Floyd Paxton, back in 1954, and he invented it. And it has been our family business for the last 66 years, producing them and machines that make them. We started in Yakima, Washington, and we now are across the globe in 6 different countries of plants and into 80 different countries of customers, and have about a little over 300 employees.
That is a fantastic success story. So one of the things that I think is interesting, plastic has been a big conversation that not just Verge, but all of our events. And so I'm wondering, with a company like KwikLok, you've been doing some very innovative things. And so what is the role of innovation and sort of how that fits in with sustainability?
Well, yes, plastic obviously has been our main solution. And it's not a perfect solution. And my sisters and I, we are the 3rd generation. We came on about 5 years ago in ownership. And so it was something that was really important for us to impact the world and have a lighter impact in places that we could, knowing that we are a plastics company. And so about 2 years ago, we're really excited that through more innovation, we have come out with the EcoLok. It looks exactly like this. However, it is made with 20% of renewable plant material, and therefore uses less petroleum-based materials, which is, of course, wonderful, and then reduces carbon. And what's really exciting is actually a local bakery in the Washington area, France, has been an early adopter of this closure. And just in the 6 months of them using it, they have reduced their carbon output. The example of driving from Canada to Mexico 6 times, just from this little idea. I mean, those are kind of things that we get really excited about, that we can actually move the needle on this.
That's fantastic. It's great to see that kind of impact. So I think for people coming to this, you tend to hear stories from these huge brands and really, multi-billion-dollar companies. But, at a company like KwikLok, how are you trying to move forward in sustainability? And what can you share with maybe smaller brands who want to also contribute?
Yes, that has been, we've asked that same question when we first came down this path, was what's the impact that we can do? Also working with a company of 66 years, very entrenched in, let's, keep doing what we've been doing. It's been working, and really trying to say, we really need to we want to be here in the future. And even if we're a small global company, we actually can make a difference. And so we've just gone, for example, plant by plant, and looking at areas of how can we reduce our waste, how can we save on energy. We've looked at partnering. That's a big thing that we have learned, that we can't do it alone. And again, being a smaller company, there's some great partnerships out there of people who have been in this field for a while, and we've partnered along with them. We're doing that in our plant in Australia, working with TerraCycle to recycle these small little closures, which can be hard to recycle in the regular recycle circular recycling. We've also been partnering with some other companies to build machines that take out a lot of the packaging. We have a machine that's called the Kwik-Lok, and it just reduces the packaging around onions and other vegetables. And so just getting innovative with other people has been a huge part of what we can do.
That is fantastic advice. And you'll hear more at Verge, but for now, I've been talking with Stephanie Jackson, co-owner of KwikLok. Thanks, Stephanie.
Oh, thank you, John.